The focus of today's practice will be eyes and area around the eyes. Usually there is a lot of tension that builds up around this in this area, which causes a lot of common problems like frowning lines, crowd feet, sagging skin, puffiness. And with these quite simple but powerful techniques, you will be able to start tackling these issues. And if you practice them correctly and regularly and incorporate them in your everyday routine, within a short period of time, you will see visible improvement. Smoothening technique, smoothening of the upper eyelid. You will need to find some comfortable position to sit in. Stable surface where you can put your elbows on. I have yoga block for that purpose to raise my elbows a little bit higher, so I can apply correct pressure on my eyes, or not eyes, but the eyelids. So for this technique, you need to sit straight, pull yourself up, make sure that you don't prolapse in your lower back, so you keep it nice and straight. Stretch yourself out and place thumbs of your fingers on the outside of the nose bridge in this area here, on the inside corners of the eye. The idea is that you need to start applying light pressure. You can hang your head by applying this weight. Not too hard, and don't press too much because this area is quite sensitive, but you need to start gliding your thumbs to the outside corners of the eyes. Apply pressure on the muscle. Don't overstretch the skin, which is quite sensitive in this area, quite thin, so we don't want to stretch it. But we do want to relax the muscle. So apply the pressure on the bony, periosteal parts of the eye and the muscle, right, to promote that relaxation. Breathe out as you do that. You can repeat it several times. Let's do it again. Place your thumbs, I hope you can see it well, on the inside corners. Apply the pressure. Maybe you just want to hang your head a little bit, well, make it loose, make it hang, and start gliding on the breath out. It should be a nice relaxing technique, so your muscle will get the message that we're trying to relax here, and glide it nicely and softly to the outside. Stretch that muscle, smooth it out, and do it a third time. Breathe in and glide. Breathe out. Okay. You can repeat this technique as many times as you wish. If you feel you have pain in this area and you find some trigger points, maybe you want to stay on those points a little bit longer to relax them. Next technique, relaxation of orbicularis oculi. Muscle, that's the round muscle that goes around your eye. We need, same way, find a stable position, something comfortable. Raise your elbows on the block or on the table, and you need to find your grip. You have a choice of two. One position of the grip calls glosses, so you fix your fingers, your thumb and your index finger around the eye, and make sure that your muscle is fixed. You have a good grip and it doesn't slide, right? So second grip is the V shape. So you place your fingers and the middle finger on the both sides of the inner and outside corner of your eye, and you hold the muscle from moving. The choice is yours. I personally prefer the glosses grip. You need to place your elbows, stabilize, well, get that grip, and make sure that you prevent the muscle from contracting, and hold it for the count of 7 and 10, or as many as you can hold, so while maintaining the steady resistance. So let's squint and hold our muscle, prevent it from moving. Make sure that you hold it quite strong enough. So let's go. Squint. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and breathe out. Okay, with the breath out, you need to feel the relaxation, right, of the release of that tension that you built up while squinting. Let's perform this 3 times, okay, and make sure that your hands are not there. They have good grip and they're not sliding out. If you feel they're sliding out, fix them back again. Okay, you can use a tissue so to prevent them from gliding. That will fix your fingers on the top of your eyelids, okay? And let's do it again. So squint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And relax. Okay, so we'll do it one more time. Let's do it. And fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Feel much better. And I feel like my wrinkles start disappearing. Next technique, we'll be focusing on this muscle here that's causing us this frowning wrinkle in the on the forehead. So we'll be massaging, pulling it away from the bone, kneading it, and trying to smooth it, smooth the forehead out, right? By this So get it into position, comfortably sit on the chair, and rest your elbows. Okay. So start massaging the muscle. Apply this kneading motion as you lifting the skin slightly away from the bone, and then introduce slight vibration movement to release this tension. Okay, so like this, you get the creep, pull it away from bone as much as you can, massage it by kneading it, go from one side, from one eyebrow to another. Feel that it's as you melting it between your fingers, it's getting more flexible. It's giving you a chance to work with it and pull it a little bit further from the bone. Okay, take a grip and try to vibrate it. Don't forget to breathe out. When you breathe out, this is when the magic happens and muscles relax. Go ahead and do it on the area between the eyebrows and get into another one more time. To finish this motion, so we need to gently glide from your sort of inner corners with your index fingers to the outside and stretch the eyebrow apart. So we feel how our forehead is getting smoother and more relaxed. So slide it, glide it lightly, but with enough pressure to relax the muscle. And one more time. Go smoothly along the muscle and the bone structure. And that's isometric or post-isometric relaxation of corrugator supercilia muscle. It's this muscle here that's causing us frowning and this unpleasant marks between our eyebrows. So we will be working with this muscle. We will be fixing it between our fingers, tensing it, and trying to stretch it out, okay? So I suggest you place your elbows, like we did before in the previous exercises, on the surface of your table block, whichever you use. I usually use tissues to fix my skin between the fingers so it doesn't glide for a better grip. This way, I will show you. So these are the muscles. You can practice them, see how they're tense in a normal state. And we will be performing the same by holding and stretching them in the opposite direction. So this is the muscle that you will need to hold between your fingers, like this. And we will perform it and repeat it 3 times. I will count to the count of 10. And then as we finish, you will then breathe out and relax the muscle. Post the exercise, we will perform some relaxation smoothening techniques. Okay, let's go. And hold the muscle. Take it between your fingers. Make sure it doesn't glide, it doesn't slip away. And start tensing as if you're frowning, forcing that muscle to tense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And stretch it out and relax. Okay, great. When you're holding it and tensing it long enough, you would feel sort of a burning vibration sensation between your fingers. It's just a sign that muscle is moving. Okay, it's a good sign. Let's do it 2 more times and let's hold the muscle. Start tensing it. It should, yeah. And I will be counting to the count of 10. And let's tense it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay, great. Let's do it 3rd time. And then we will massage it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and to the maximum, 9, 10. Chill. Okay. Let go. And let's massage it. Just go from one side to another and maybe smooth it out. Pull it, glide on top of the surface, from the inside corner to the outside corner of the eyebrow, promoting the relaxation, smoothening of the muscle. Okay, so this technique will help us to relax this area, prevents this, sort of make this muscle tired, so it will not want to frown. Even if you send the signal, it will not do it as often or with the same force, so it will prevent the wrinkle from forming. I hope you enjoy these techniques, and I hope you will practice them on a regular basis, so within no time you will see some good results. Thank you, and I will see you soon again.